In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to show or hide caller ID. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the More icon and select the settings. Here you should open Supplementary Services and tap on Show Caller ID. And as you can see here, you can either hide or show it, so let me pick hide. And once this option is on, your number is hidden. Then if you will pick show number, your number will be displayed in all outgoing calls. And this is it. Obviously you can also pick network default, so it will be set up accordingly to the default operator settings. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.